Alright, guys. So the time is here. iPad is here. Let's go. Alright. Thank you.
Are you kidding? No, I'm not. I just copped a 50, went and put it on my watch. Yeah, I could drop a milli, go and pop it on a stock, but I'd rather be a throw it up and make them watch. Are you kidding? No, I'm not. Moving through your city with my coffee and a Glock. Ask me, are you kidding? What the f?
Oh, by the way, I'm not really well right now, so I won't be able to do voiceover. So you know what? I'ma just leave it here, play a background music. Bye, and yep, just enjoy the rest of the video. Peace. I will meet you all in the next video. By the way, when I will recover, hopefully tomorrow, right?